Welcome to NetApp Workload Factory, best practice orchestration of workloads running on Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP. Workload Factory provides administrators with advanced capabilities for planning, deploying, and then operating their workloads according to industry best practices. Let's take a quick look at what it has to offer. For planning, Workload Factory helps save on costs for workloads running on EBS, EFS, or FSx for Windows, by offering TCO calculators that compare their configuration to the same one running on FSx for ONTAP. You can then choose to easily deploy this configuration. For deploying, Workload Factory offers the ability to use automatically generated infrastructure as code snippets in your workloads, or deploy FSx for ONTAP systems from within the deployment wizard. Once deployed, workloads can easily be maintained and operated with Workload Factory. Its well-architected dashboards provide a general score for the workload and detailed ones for its reliability, operational excellence, performance optimization, cost optimization, and security. It then details any misconfigurations or drift from the optimal state, providing remediation recommendations and the ability to perform them from within the UI, explaining exactly what is going to be done. Workload Factory also offers embedded agentic infrastructure insights through its Ask Me agent. The agent can prepare detailed status reports and recommend next steps to remediate any issue discovered. AI is also used in Workload Factory to provide event analysis in plain, actionable English. And finally, Workload Factory allows you to easily operate advanced ONTAP capabilities such as replication, autonomous ransomware protection, SMB and CIFS shares, extended block storage features, and much more. Automate and optimize your workloads based on industry best practices with NetApp Workload Factory.